Juliana, do you want to do your zip line or no? You need your boots? You can do without the boots, anak. Oh, put it here. Here, put it here. Grandma, hold it. Diyan, pwede ka pa magtanim dyan, mother. Kasi kung di mo linisin yan, magiging damo na lahat yan. Kung naarawan ba? Kung hindi naarawan, di wala din. Kasi pag ngayon maliwanag pa yan, pag malaki na, isuntutin linisin. Ready? Diyan sa baba kita, ma. Sigawan mo. What happened? Spider? No, it's okay. Daka na spider na. It's okay. Spider is fine. What is that? Hey! Spider web? It's just a web. Somebody's shooting guns. Okay. Yeah, stop shooting guns. It's okay now. That's only leaf. It's only leaf. She said there's a spider, hon. Julana, that's being CC. Julana, that's being CC. There's not. There isn't there. It's a leaf. It's just a leaf now. Oh, Julana, you're. Why did? So they're shooting something? Huh? Should we go check it out? That's all right. Hindi aalisin yung bato pagdating ni Thor. Yeah. Grandma said take off the rock, son. Don't fall in that rock. That's gonna hurt you. Are you gonna mow this one too? You should mow this. Yeah. Ay, pupunuin daw niya yung mga extra gravel na yan, ilalagay daw niya dyan. Hello, hello, Sita. What's that, honey? Where you going? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, there's still some, grandma made some fire. Oh, that's really nice. Hello, MJ. Strawberry. Where's that? Okay, Jade, try. Kick! Where's Julene? Kick. Kick hard. Okay. Ganyan siya, maglalaro lang siya mag-isa niya. So, kailangan linisin siguro doon. Linisin. Ah! yung masakit? Oo. Okay, Jilan. Oh, JD is coming. Kick! Ni mother! Naman kanya. You almost kick your grandma. Alin? Ayaw, alam na niya. Punky wood daw.